What's good, YouTube? Adriannthakidd, and I'm lit. We back in this bit, man. Today we got HowToBasic, how to make crab curry, you know what I'm saying? Now look, this video might be special, you know what I'm saying? Because I heard this is the video where they actually didn't troll and they made a real recipe, you know what I'm saying? So hey, crab curry, let's get it. I don't know how a crab can be Steph Curry, but we'll figure it out, man. You will need 3 Capri Suns. Bro, I ain't drank a Capri Sun in years, bro. I'm capped. Okay. An onion, a corridor, 2 tomatoes. You need some garlic, chili, ground cumin, long grain rice, turmeric, cook. All right, I'm just letting. You know what I'm saying? 1 egg. All right, buddy. All right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got too many eggs, bro. Come on, man. And a large crab. Seafood smells disgusting. Okay. Bro, I forgot who somebody commented this video, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I swear, if you troll me, man. Bro, those other eggs are not going away. Not Mr. Krabs. No. Hey, let's talk about it, man. Do y'all think a Krabby Patty was made out of crabs? You know what I'm saying? I think so, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know why Mr. Krabs would be serving it then. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure it's dead. Removing the crab's meat. Pause. I hate cats. But my dog acts like a cat, so I don't know, I guess. Add the crab. Bro, this looks disgusting. Alright. Okay. Hey, he doing good so far, I think. Oh no. Wow. We might get to the end of a HowToBasic video and it be normal, bro. This is crazy. I might cry. Bro, the cat is somewhere in the house crying. What the hell did you put salad on it? What the hell is this? HowToBasic? Nigga. So bro. Alright, bro. Let me break this down, bro. So HowToBasic made the perfect I mean, I don't want to say perfect because it looks nasty, but he didn't troll at all. He trolled a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? Like he didn't screw up the recipe. He presents it nicely. He gives it to you. Does he even give it to you? No, you came and took the plate. And then that's not nice. Hey, man. That was the first successful HowToBasic recipe ever, you know what I'm saying? I mean, what happened to the food? You know what I'm saying? It's on the floor right now, but that don't matter, man. He did it, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure to leave a like, you know what I'm saying? I think my computer's trying to shut off, but you know what I'm saying? Adriannthakidd, a little bit, we got this bit, man.